the baby eat her? So the babies eat her when when she dies? Why they didn't tell me that? I want to see.
Hang on, look. You can look through the camera, see?
No, I want to see. Look through this. Oh, that's so cool. Let me on this one.
So you're looking at a fly that is dead, and maggots are coming out of it, the fly.
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
Eat. Well, don't want to smash the babies like that.
Those aren't babies. Those are maggots.
Then why are they there?
Or are they coming out of the fly? I don't know. You're going to have to learn in science.
Can't?
All right. Now, time to go to bed.
I want to see if I can keep looking.
No.
I'm trying to look. They are not at the swing anymore.